Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Okay, in today's video we will continue from our previous topic, which is locking up the profit in spikes trading. Okay, we started this topic 3 days ago, and we will continue from there today so that we will see how we can lock up the profit while we are trading our spikes. Okay, this is very important. Okay, and if you are new on this channel, this is a forex channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money within the forex platform. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my training videos. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. Okay, and make sure you understand every strategy shared there. Make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very important. Okay, in short, it has been a major secret on this platform. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are right away. But before we do that, I must say a big thank you to you guys for believing in me. Okay, you guys have been with me for the past 2 to 3 years now, and we've been doing this together to make sure that we are milking the market successfully. I've been coming with different trading strategies which you guys have been taking advantage of, and so many of you have been able to stand on your own, to trade on your own. Okay, and most of you have even been coaching other people in order to make sure that the efforts the efforts have been duplicated into other people so that more people can also make money within the platform. Okay, and I'm really happy about the upcoming program which is coming up on 11th of December, tomorrow. Okay, everything is set, everything are in place already, and I'm really happy. The different groups have been created. Okay, and their time have been announced also, so they are already getting prepared for it. I'm sure they are already prepared for it, and I'm also prepared for what we will be giving them tomorrow. Okay, so it is going to be a one-time opportunity for you guys. Okay, I'm really happy that you guys have taken the bold step. You'll be having everything that I have promised you in this video. You're going to be having everything, and you're going to be having some specific strategies that will show you where to go into the trade and where to get out of the trade. These are so unique strategies that you will love them, and you will make some profits using them. Okay, on the platform. Okay, it is very easy for us to do. All your materials are ready, all your trading tools are ready, the trading bots, they are all ready, and I'm really happy that you guys are taking advantage of this. Okay, if you want more information on this, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen. Okay, I will be there to reply you. So let's go straight into what we have right away. Like I said 3 days ago, I started this topic, how to lock up your profit while you are trading your spikes. Okay, so I try to let you see while you should be able to do this. Okay, if you know how to trade your spike, then you should be able to lock up your profit, because it is much more easier to lock up your profit whenever you are trading spikes. So which means you can trail up your profit, trail up the profit till the very end of the trend. Okay, and for you to trade spikes, you must understand the assets you want to trade. Okay, and also you must know when to go in for your spike and when to exit the market. Okay, so for instance, if you are trading boom, spikes are best traded when the market is just going on uptrend, or when it is already on uptrend, and it is best traded, it's usually happen around the support region. This is very important. Once you understand this, then you will be able to milk the market for a very long time. The same thing is applicable to crash. Okay, and crash, when you are trading crash, it is the opposite of boom. Okay, it is based on when the market is on downtrend or when the downtrend is about to start. Okay, so you start with it right from the beginning, and of course the resistance region is where you should look out for in order for you to have the spikes happening around there. Okay, in order for you to trade the spikes around there. So that is very, very important. Once you know how to go about this, then the next thing for you to do is to know how to lock up your profits. Okay, that is very, very important. You should be able to lock up your profit because it is very easy for you to do. For instance, let's say you decide to come in here and the market has actually gone up to this level. Sorry about that, it has gone up to this level, and let's say you put your stop loss somewhere here to lock up your profit. Check it out, the all the opposite candle that are being created, this is boom. Okay, the bearish candle that are being created are created gently. It's not something that happens at a go. It's not something that happened within seconds. It takes time before it is being created. So once it gets to your stop loss, it will just take you away from the market immediately. It's not going to push your stop loss backward because it is not spike. What you are trading is spike. Okay, so the forces behind that is not strong enough to push your stop loss away. Okay, so it will just close your trade for you at that point, and the rest of your your profit, your profits will go straight to your balance at that particular point. Okay, this is on 5-minute time frame, and it is a beautiful way which you can use to trade to trade your spikes, and that way you can use it to trade your spikes for a very long time. Like I said, all you need to do is to know your entry point. Okay, once you know your entry point, then you will be able to milk the assets successfully for a very long time. Okay, so right here is our entry point, because that is where we have our support region, which is a major one, and that is where our trend is starting from. And remember, if you are trading these spikes, I will advise you to start from 5 minutes. Okay, use within 5-minute time frame to 30-minute time frame. Okay, but if you are just starting, start practicing with 5 minutes. Do not go to 1 minute. It will take your time before you will be able to get it very well. So once you have your trend telling us that it is going on uptrend and it is around a major support zone, okay, you can even wait for the blue arrow or your signal to pop out. Okay, once it pops out, then you can come in and place your order immediately. So you place your order there, then the price action will play around there for a while, just the way you have seen it playing around for a while. Okay, it will play around. You don't expect it to go into profit immediately. Okay, so you can see it spiked up and came down again. It's playing around, guys. It's playing around and spiked up and spiked up. This time around it is giving us profit, and it has spiked up to this level. I think the distance between your entry point and your current action price is reasonable enough for you to introduce your stop loss now. So the next thing you should do is for you to introduce your stop loss. And how do you do that? Okay, all you need to do is to calculate the distance between your entry point and your current action price and divide it into 2 equal halves. Okay, you divide it into 2 equal halves, just the way you have seen it right here. And once that is done, the reason for this is just for you to have the current action price to have some space for the current action price to play around, okay, before it gets to the stop loss, so that it won't just get to the stop loss easily. So that is it. And once it gets to the stop loss, you still have your profits locked out for yourself. Okay, so you can see another spike happen. It's moved up to this level. Are you going to leave your stop loss the way it is? No, you need to adjust. You always take it back to the middle level. Okay, this is the middle level. You can see that the profit between the entry point and where your stop loss is has increased at that point. Okay, so we still have enough space to play, to play around. Okay, so right from there it spiked up again and spiked up and spiked up to this level. So I expect you to adjust your stop loss again to the middle. Is that the middle? Okay, this is the middle. This is the middle. You can see it played around and came down to this level, to the tip of that your stop loss, but it didn't get there, and it spiked up again. You can see it went up again. It is, the stop loss is still at the middle, came down a bit, went up, came down a bit, went up, and this time around got up to this level. Then what do? You adjust your stop loss again to the middle. Okay, you adjust it to the middle, to give the current action price enough room to play around. You can see it came down to this level, then started going up again, got up to this level. Then you still need to adjust it to the middle. That way you are increasing the profits you are locking up for yourself. Okay, it makes it very easy. So this time around it went up again. You can see it went up to this level, came down to play, and it went up again, came down again to play, went up again and came down, up, and this time around came down till it got to your stop loss. Okay, so when it gets to your stop loss, what do? You close, the markets will close at that point. Okay, and the profits between your stop loss and your entry point will go straight into your balance. Okay, it will go straight into your balance, and that is how it works. It is a unique strategy if you know how to go about it, but for you to understand how to do this, you need a lot of practice. Okay, you need a lot of practice. So once you are able to practice this for a very long time, then you will be able to perfect this strategy, and you will be able to use it anywhere at any time. Okay, so guys, I want you to go back to your chart, have the setup in your chart, and try to identify the trend. Try to identify the trend to trade the spike for whatever assets you are trading, and also try to identify either the support or the resistance level, whichever one that is supporting the asset you are trading at that particular time. Then try to know your signal point, your entry point, and of course try to trade fixing your stop loss and see how long you can go with it, and see if it's going to come back and take your profit. And when it gets your take profit, will it push your your stop loss? When it gets to your stop loss, will it push your stop loss backward, or will it close your trade? And when it closes your trade, your trade, is it in profit, or are you at loss? Okay, so this is what I want you to take note of, and at the end of the day, I want you to share your results with me so that we can see if you are getting it right or not. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and all you need to do is just to stay tuned to this channel, for I will be bringing amazing trading strategies to you guys, so that you guys will know how to milk the market successfully using some of these strategies. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications? That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.